Hello, friend, and welcome back to the craft table. It's so good to have you here. We've been traveling and it's been a busy springtime, and I feel like it's been a while since I filmed something, and so I am just getting back into painting a lot of watercolors, and I just thought I'd show you a few ideas to get back into watercolor if you've been away from painting as well. I just started with something simple, just doing swirlies or loops. I don't know what to call them. Just going through different colors. And another one I did just was hearts, a whole bunch of hearts, and then different variations. And if you've been away from your craft table and not painted in a while, these are just really fun and easy just to get your hand moving again and enjoy your paints. So I thought today I would show you how I did the loop one, and instead of using pinks, I'm going to use all of the greens and blues in this Kuretake Art Nouveau set. And it's so nice to be back. This is kind of my home desk. This is my great-grandfather's table that I have in our living room that I like to paint at. And I'm painting off the edge of the paper today, so I'm going to put this little chipboard down to protect the table. And I've started this one, and you just grab whichever blues or greens you like and just start making these swirls, or loops. They kind of look like yarn loops, I guess. And it's such a soothing pattern, but it's so easy and fun just to paint. Sometimes I do so many small detailed things that it's fun to do something like this where you don't even think about it. You're just enjoying the paint and moving your hand. And it's okay if the colors bleed into each other. See when they touch if they're still wet. I don't mind that at all. Just going around picking the different colors. And you can't really mess this up. It's just a loop. Has your spring been full and busy? Springtime is a busy time for my husband's work especially, and we've also had some family, older family that's needed some extra help and care, so that's been good to have time to help. I usually try to paint a little bit every day, but lately the days have gotten away from me a little bit, so it's just nice to come and spend time with you doing something fun. Just working through the colors. And you can go in with saturated and kind of let the color fade as it works itself out of the brush. But it's so nice to have you here on this YouTube. I've seen on the analytics, there's so many people from around the world, and it's so fun to have you here, and I'm happy to, oh gee, going right under my paper towel here. Probably out of the camera too. Anyway, it's just nice to have you here, and I'm thankful for you being here. There, now you can let that dry. And when it's finished, if you want to add on a sentiment, you could, I just drew these with my acrylic pen. You don't have to have any fancy supplies. And I cut them out, and then I have, you could use glue stick, or I have these glue dots, and you can just glue them on any which way you like. And this one I made it kind of the reverse, I drew the happy birthday and then went with my black marker around it. So it's kind of the opposite look. So anyway, there's tons of ideas and you can be creative. I know you have a lot of ideas too. And I made a thank you one. You could really use it for any type of card. So anyway, I hope this idea helps you get back to your craft table and get out your paints and have some fun. And thank you for being here again, and I look forward to painting with you again soon. Take care.